guys, yesterday I'm going to be doing a vlog around me doing Charnwood Water. If you know what Charnwood Water is, it's like this nature area. And my dog is just over there, sniffing quite a lot. Because there are some foxes and stuff around here. And yeah. And I hope you guys put thumbs up and subscribe and put a comment down. And yeah, we're just going to do some walking quite a lot. Now, yeah, there's a moorhen just about there. It's like, just swimming. And you always tell which one's which, but there are quite a lot of ducks just over there. Just been looking just over there, and yeah, it's getting quite dark now, but there are some houses just over there, but I don't want to point the camera over there because I don't want to disturb them in houses. But my dog is just over there, I think, and yeah, Missy, come here, and yeah, Missy. And this is my dog just now. So don't go too close to the water now. And yeah, there's just a train passing over there. But my dog was just walking and just running. And yeah, there's usually like stuff over there. But we might discover something down there. Something like interesting, like some leftovers or something. So yeah, we have found some gloves here, but we don't know who they belong to. But it is on a big tree log, but if we go further down, there might be quite a lot. So yeah, here we go. Lizzie! Over here. And she's just gone the other way. And yeah, I think that is some... Oh, she's gone again. So we are going to go right about over here. This is where the most of the coolest things you can find. So yeah, we're just about here at the moment. And then we've just found a wrapper here. And I don't know what it is, but it looks like a sweetie wrapper.
Mm-mm.
So, where my dog is. Okay, so I am going to be ending it, but here is a quick look at the train tracks. If you can't really see it, it is a bit dark, but my dog is always sniffing because and yeah, and I think we are having a train station.